I did?
Yeah.
Two. Good one.
What now?
Are you ready to watch me fail?
Yeah!
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 Let's go fail!
All right!
Okay.
Sorry, it just goes way off the wall.
I threw trash! Well.
Loser!
Wow! Oh my god, it's Pocky the Wolf Pup!
Pocky the wolf got bad!
Yeah, right into the gutter. Right where your mind is.
Absolute trash.
This is to the fan! Let me see what you have! A knife! No! Ah, yes, Sandy.
Pocky, you have made it to the end of the video. That is, if you decided to skip to the end of the video. Now you're probably wondering, Pocky, why are you at the end of this video? You usually don't do that. I mean, I did in one of my other videos, but you were absolutely right. Regardless, I am happy to say that on December 31st to January 4th, I will be attending at Anther Northwest, which might be coming a surprise for you from you guys, since I already said that BLFC 2024 was going to be my last con after having a baby. Who's to say if this is going to be my last con for a while? I guess we'll just have to see. In the meantime, thank you again for watching the video, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Take care.